Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, today I'll tell you how to grow blue pea or butterfly pea. It's also called Clytodia, and in our Hindi it is called Aparajita. And the flower you can see beautiful flowers. It comes in different flower forms. This is the double petal form, and it comes in a single petal form also. And color is around blue, violet, white color, sometimes reds also. Or you can see the plant, beautiful plant, and lots of already have bloomed and they sprayed. So this is only 1 month old plant, and in 1 month you can see all flowering are there. This is another plant. This is white variety, and the flowers are already sprayed. This is the white variety, double petal white variety. So I am going to grow this, and this is the grown in a grow bag. I bought it around 25 rupees each plant, and this is around 1 month old plant. In 1 month old plant you can see lots of blooms here. And if you want, you can buy small plants also. Small plants you can buy. This is the in 2 inch 3 inch grow bag. This you can buy around 10 rupees each. This single petal or bipetal or double petal also you can buy it only in 10 rupees. If you buy and grow one plant, they will thrive up to 1 year. You can get the lots of blooms. And I tell you, this is some climber vines, so you have to grow in that way. You can grow lots of plant. If you want, you can make it bush also. That I'll tell you how to do that also. But first of all, you have to select the proper pot, because proper potting is very important. So for the selection of pot, you have to take clay pot or earthen pot is the best. 8 inch or 10 inch pot will be nice for growing this kind of blue pea criteria. And soil mixture is very important, because you need lots of flower from here. This soil mixture I've made, how I have prepared soil mixture. So first you have to select the soil, proper soil. Take proper garden soil around 60%. Any kind of garden soil you can take, and in that soil you add 30% compost, maybe vermicompost, cow dung compost, and 10% of coco peat. If you add 10% of coco peat, they will maintain the moisture in the soil, because maintaining moisture is very important. Mix it well, and in that you have to add two more things if they are possible. Then I'll tell you, just mix it properly. And I tell you, this blue pea or butterfly pea is a very beautiful, lots of herbal importance and lots of medicinal importance also. Here I am adding neem cake powder, because sometimes the plants roots are attacked by nematodes, so they will protect you. The roots will be protected from nematodes by this neem cake powder. This contains also lots of micronutrients also. Around 2 teaspoonful I am adding neem cake powder, and in that I am adding 1 teaspoonful of mustard cake powder. They also contain lots of micronutrients and macronutrients, so they will provide nourishment to around the year to your plants. So this is the soil mix I have prepared. This is the full, and now I am telling you how to take out the plants from the grow bag, how to repot them, how to care them, in which sunlight you have to put, and this is the very important thing. So now my soil mixture is prepared, is ready, and now I am making a bed of around 3 inch layer bed here. And after that you have to take out the plant from grow bag. Cut the grow bag from the two sides, so that you can take out the whole root ball, intact root ball. If you damage the root ball, sometimes what happens, the roots are damaged and the plants go to shock. So you have to be very careful. That's how I am taking out the plant. With the help of a blade, I have cut the two sides of this grow bag and taking out the whole root ball. And here you can see this is the stake. So you have to maintain some stakes also, so that this is the vine. So you have to maintain and put some stake here, so that you can bind some string here, so that the plants can grow well. And if you want, you can trim it at the top portion, so that new branches will come out and the plants may convert into bushy shape also. So now I have implanted this plant here, and here you can see another I have planted. This is the blue or violet color, and now put water full first day, and tomorrow I will not won't water it at all, and after 3 days I will start watering properly. And here this is the white variety, and this is I am growing in another pot. So you have to keep the plant in 20 to 35 degrees centigrade temperature, and you have to water the plants every day. Little bit of water, there should be water moisture, and keep the plant in such a portion area, so that it can receive 2 to 3 hours at least sunlight, or 4 to 5 hours sunlight is needed. But since it is very hot outside, so you have to keep it in semi-shade area. It may receive 3 to 4 hours sunlight is sufficient for growing these kinds of plants, so you don't have to take much care. Still, they are attacked by, sometimes they are attacked by fungus, sometimes by insects also. If there are some insects attack, you can apply imidacloprid insecticide 1 ml per liter, and this is the small plants that are also going to grow them. And if there is some fungal infection, then you can apply SAF or Babistin 2 gram per liter if you apply once in 15 days, so there won't be any problem of any kind of this flowering. So I tell you, this is the Bhagwan Lord Shiva and Ma Durga and Lord Vishnu is very very fond of this flower, and they contains lots of medicinal, herbal medicinal importance also. So they bring luck and fortune in your home, so you must grow in your home this Aparajita or Clyteria. Hope you find this video very very valuable, important. Thank you very much. Thank you for being